So in this video we will look on multi-level inheritance in Java. So multi-level inheritance is inheriting from class A to B and B to C. That is, we inherit properties from A to B to C. So we will see it with an example today. So we will take a class named animal, similar to last example, for single inheritance. If you have seen my first video, I'll leave a link above. Check it out. So we are creating a class animal now. Similar to last video, we will say that animal can walk. We'll create a method for that. Void walk. Let's say it's walking. So we'll create another class. Let this class have name dog. So dog can bark. So we can put the function named bark or method bark. So we'll print barking. So we'll create a method. Before that, it extends animal. So we are extending animal to dog as a single level inheritance. So let's create an object for that. Dog. We'll create an object named dog1 equal to new dog of dog1. We'll call bark function and walking function for dog1. Dog1 dot bark dog1 dot walk. So we have dog1 dot bark and dog1 dot walk. Let's run this code and see. This is called single inheritance. We are inheriting class A to B. Now we will create another class doggy. So In class doggy, we can create a function named void weep. So that is crying. So that is crying. We'll print crying. Weeping. So we have created a class named doggy, which is weeping. So we can inherit the class of bark, and as well as bark, as well as we can inherit walk. That is, which we have to inherit any one class. So which will be useful is we directly inherit dog class. Extends dog. Since dog contains both of walk and bark, we can extend dog. So here we are extending another class. So A to B, B to C. So this is called as multi-level inheritance. We'll see how to create an object. Similar to a single level, we can create an object for multi-level also. So doggy, for doggy we are creating object baby equal to new doggy. So we can call walk, bark and weep doggy dot walk doggy dot weep doggy dot bark. So we'll run this code and see. Now we'll see the output. So doggy walk cannot be referenced from static. Sorry. Baby. Yeah, let's see the output now. First barking, walking. Now see. Baby dot walk is walking, baby dot weep is weeping, and now baby dot bark is barking. So this is multi-level inheritance. In next video we will look on hierarchical inheritance. Thank you.